Hi everyone, this is Mini R5 and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to repurpose fabric. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making blankets for my Schleichs, my Briars. That's what I'm going to be doing. I already made the marks on here for my Schleich, well, like what most of my Schleichs are. This is one of my Schleichs. And yeah, I'm just gonna cut where the marks are once I get it turned so it's closer by me. And there, once I've cut it, I will just do this to make sure. And once I'll just do this and make sure it's the proper length, which it is. And then I will just make a small little cut, circular cut, and if that doesn't fit, you can make it a little bigger, which for mine it fits. So there it is, and I could always cut it and adjust it if it's too long. But that is it.
And this is the simple no-sew method that a child could do. You could also close the front end of that blanket with sewing it shut or using the quick stitch iron stitchery. So you would have that front a little bit more full, a little bit more closed. But this is the child-friendly way of making your own model horse blankets out of fabric that was found in the dumpster.
Yeah.
So, person that was showing this to you was my daughter, Autumn, Mini R5, as she called herself.
Well, because everyone calls me Mini R5.
Well, people on this channel don't know that because we have our second family channel, R5 Adventures. Feel free to check that out. The link will be in the description. But everyone on that channel knows her as Mini R5. But she showed you how to make something out of fabric that you might find in the dumpsters that this stuff wasn't too damaged. But even if you found a little bit more damaged fabric, you could also do it with that. This fabric really was not damaged. It was a partial roll of this horseshoe fabric. I did not get a recording of getting that out of the dumpster because little did I realize the guy was actually in the process of throwing stuff out at that moment. He caught me in his dumpster. He didn't say anything, but he did give me a look kind of like he would if I would continue doing stuff. So I didn't get it recorded because he pretty much caught me seconds after showing up to the dumpster. I grabbed and ran. But there's a close-up of that blanket. Want to rotate the horse around. There you go. Like I said, if you did the quick stitch, you would actually get a more closure up at the front of the chest. Or you could probably even make that hole a little bit further back in the blanket so that way there's a little more enclosure in the front of the chest. But that's pretty simple, pretty easy, and it's a cute little craft for the kids. Thank you for watching, guys. If you liked what you saw, make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one.